Okay, so if you are trying to get into a Google Meet, I usually just type Google Meet up here. Now, this page does not work to log in. I have to go here, and I have to make sure I'm in my bcps email Google account. When I click that, this page comes up. Then I can click this button. I can type in the nickname that goes for the class, hit continue, and then I'm ready to join. Now, so make sure that when you're logging in, this account, oops, I left the meeting, is under your BCPS username. Usually students' usernames are 3 letters or initials, like RLT302@bcps.org. Once you are in that Google account, you can join a meeting. If you are not in that account and you're in another Gmail account, like let's just say my other one, I can't get in. Okay? So make sure you're in your BCPS Google account. And if you need help with the login or password, let me know.